Okay. Now the topic is about addition of HBr to propene. It is a part of reaction mechanism. In this, how HBr is added to propene. This is the addition reaction which completely reverses to the elimination reaction which we completed in our previous class. Okay. Propene, when treated with HBr, unsaturated compound is converted into saturated compound. Here, this formation of product mainly governed by two principles. One is Markovnikov, second is anti-Markovnikov principle. These two are the named reactions. We will discuss one by one. This rule states that addition of HX to the asymmetric alkene, acidic hydrogen is attached to the carbon having more number of hydrogens. This is very important to remember. Hydrogen of HX. HX in the sense HBr we are taking. In this, hydrogen atom is attached to the carbon having more number of hydrogens. If we are taking propene, propene is CH3CH double bond CH2. In the double bonded carbon, one is CH, second is CH2. CH2 having more number of hydrogens, that's why hydrogen will attach to that CH2 carbon but not CH carbon of double bond. And halide atom is attached to the carbon having more number of substitution, means less number of hydrogens. Okay, this is called Markovnikov rule. So when we see the example, you can understand better about this one. The hydrogen atom is added to the carbon having greatest number of hydrogens, while X, nothing but halide, is attached to the carbon with least number of hydrogen atoms. This is called the Markovnikov rule. Hydrogen attached to more number of hydrogens, halide attached to least number of hydrogens. Okay, now let us see how the reaction is possible. This is the propene CH3CH2 double bond CH2, which is called propene. This propene is added with HBr. In this, H plus should be attached to CH2 and Br should be attached to this CH carbon, so that we will get 2-bromopropane as the major product. And another possibility is Br can be attached to first carbon, hydrogen attached to second carbon, that is 1-bromopropane. But among 2-bromo and 1-bromo, the product is 2-bromopropane is the major product. Around 70% of 2-bromopropane is formed, and the remaining 30% we will get 1-bromopropane as the minor product. The reason is based on the stability of formed carbocation. Here, the product 2-bromo is major compared to this 1-bromo. This is according to Markovnikov rule. And the simple reaction is given as CH3CH double bond CH2, which is again propene only, added with HBr, formation of 2-bromopropene as the final product. Now, let us see how the mechanism is possible and how can we write this reaction. We will see here. In the mechanism, first step, here mechanism is two-step process. Electrophile H plus attacks on the propene and possibility to form carbocation. Here, when we see the mechanism, this is peroxide reaction, anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, 1 minute. I will show the mechanism for this reaction. Here. This is for anti-Markovnikov. This is for anti-Markovnikov. I will show the mechanism for Markovnikov rule. One minute. Here is the mechanism for Markovnikov rule. This is SN1 SN2 reaction. Yes, addition of HBr to propene. The mechanism will be, here is the mechanism. When we are taking propene, when this propene is added to H plus, so this H plus can be added to either first carbon or second carbon. When it is added to first carbon atom, we will get secondary carbocation, whereas H plus attached to the second carbon, we will get a primary carbocation. So which is the stable carbocation among these two? Primary or secondary? Whose stability is more? Secondary carbocation stability will be more. That's the reason why. So the reaction, that's the reason why the reaction proceeded with this hydrogen added to this H plus, hydrogen added to this H plus at first carbon, then only stable secondary carbocation is generated. The stable carbocation further added with bromide ion. So here 2-bromopropane as the major product. This is about the mechanism. In this mechanism, formation of secondary carbocation is the important thing, so that the mechanism proceeded with this SN2. Mechanism is proceeded with SN2 reaction. Sorry. So let us go with our reaction. Okay. So secondary carbocation formed in this reaction is more stable. That's the reason why reaction proceeded with 2-bromopropane. Okay. So let us see. The formed bromide ion reacts with carbocation, then forms a final product. Here, let us state Markovnikov rule again. Electrophilic addition of HBr to unsymmetrical alkene always occurs through the most stable carbocation. Most stable carbocation is secondary carbocation and indirectly expressed by this Markovnikov rule. Okay, so that is called Markovnikov rule, where H plus attached to more number of hydrogens containing carbon and Br minus attached to less number of hydrogens containing carbon atom. Okay, then 2-bromopropane as the major product in Markovnikov rule. 1-bromopropane is the major product in anti-Markovnikov rule. Now we are going to discuss about anti-Markovnikov rule, that is addition of HBr to propene in the presence of organic peroxide. Okay, so if we mention peroxide, that mechanism obviously anti-Markovnikov. If we mention no peroxide, so there is no peroxide is there, then the mechanism proceeds to through Markovnikov rule. Here peroxide is mentioned, hence the reaction proceeds with anti-Markovnikov rule. This is also called as Karash effect, also called as peroxide effect, because peroxide is the important material which change the reaction mechanism. Here, in case of Markovnikov rule, 2-bromopropane is the major one, but in anti-Markovnikov, 1-bromopropane will be formed. Here the reaction product, see, propene was taken, added with HBr in the presence of organic peroxide, 1-bromopropane as the major product. Let us see why this product is formed and what is the mechanism for this one. Mechanism is explained here. We are taking peroxide. Peroxide is C6H5, C double bond O, C double bond O, C6H5. This is called benzoyl peroxide. When benzoyl peroxide was taken, it involved in homolytic fission. Fission of the bond equally is called homolytic fission. Now it is converted into C6H5COO radical. Here free radical is generated. This involved in dissociation and is converted into C6H5 free radical. This C6H5 free radical used to initiate the reaction. It is treated with HBr. In this propene reaction with HBr, this HBr is first treated with this phenyl free radical. So again here homolytic fission is possible. It abstracts the H radical and is converted into bromine free radical. This bromine free radical can attack either of the position. Bromine can attack at first position, otherwise second position. If this bromine is attached to second position, we will get carbon free radical here. When bromine attached to first carbon atom, we will get this second carbon free radical. This is called primary free radical. This is called secondary free radical. As already we know, stability of secondary free radical is more compared to primary free radical. That's the reason why bromine preferably attached to the carbon having more number of hydroxides in the presence of peroxide. That's the reason why 1-bromopropane is the major product. Okay, so this is a major product. Then bromine treated with carbon-carbon double bond, 1-bromo substitution is possible. Second carbon having free radical. The second carbon free radical again treated with 1 more HBr molecule and H plus is attached here. We will get 1-bromopropane as the final product. So this is about the mechanism of anti-Markovnikov rule. Let us give the definition for anti-Markovnikov rule. If a peroxide is present in the reaction, then anti-Markovnikov rule is followed and the more stable secondary free radical is formed. Bromine attached, the most important thing is bromine attached to the carbon having more number of hydrogen atoms. In case of Markovnikov, H plus attached to the carbon having more number of hydrogens, but in anti-Markovnikov, bromine attached to the carbon having more number of hydrogen atoms. Anti-Markovnikov rule gives 1-bromopropane as the major product and the reaction carried in the presence of peroxide and the total mechanism is proceeded with free radicals only. This effect is also called as Karash effect, where secondary free radical is more stable compared to primary free radical. That's the reason why 1-bromopropane is the major product in case of anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, so by this